Here I have HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera audio control on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have audio control. You can enable it on, you can set it on, say, cheese to take photo, or just raise your voice to take photo. So let's try this cheese. And like cheese. As you can see, it takes photo. So let's give it another try. Cheese. 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 So as you can see, it recognizes different cheeses. Yeah, works perfectly for me. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.